Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. This is our poultry farm. You can see the poultry farm. We start from day old, 1 day old. We start this farm with a day old, so they are now almost 15 weeks. So see, this is the poultry part. So we are trying to build the cage now. We are building the cage. We're going to take them from this place to the cage, and the cage is ready. But they start dropping one by one. So we just picked one egg 2 days ago. Yesterday, and we pick another one today. So it's ready to go. So you guys have to personalize us. We are starting. So you see, that's the man that is building the cage. That's the officer that is building another cage. We have how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6, 7, 8, 9 units here. So, guys, we are trying to do our best. Look at the best. They look nice. We have about 1,000 beds, but we lost some. So this was left behind. It's nice. Thank you guys. You guys subscribe to my channel, GA Farm, located at Benin City by Gosa. This is where we are located. We have about 1 acre plus here. So guys, you can see that's the cage. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Guys, look at the bed. They are very beautiful. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you. And see that? That's it. That's the cage. We have the poultry side. We have the pig side. We'll go there soon. And that's the big one. Thank you. God bless.